Hi everyone, it's JoJo. Here's another pastel look using green, purple, and silver shades. I'm really looking forward to showing you this look, so let's get started. It's really important to prep the face when you're applying a whole bunch of product, so I'm going to prime myself with some Bare Minerals Original Primer. For a seamless look, I'm using a concealer by Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Tan Sand. Let's go ahead and blend that all out with a damp beauty blender. Nice work. Now, we're gonna go ahead and move on to foundation. The one I'm using is by NARS in the shade Barcelona. The second foundation is the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Golden Caramel. I'm also going to be using this Instant Glow Serum by Pacifica. I like to add these to my foundation when I want a more glowy look. Then, using a much more bigger, damp beauty blender, I'm going to blend my foundation out. For concealer, I'm using Colourpop in the shade Medium. Concealing done. Now we're moving on to contouring, and I'm using the NYX Wondersticks in the shade Deep. We're halfway through. Make sure you hydrate before you move on. It's good to take a break here and there. Alrighty, now we're gonna blend out the contour with a bronzer. What I like about this product is the shade. It fits my skin tone very well during the winter months because it makes me look like a toasted cookie. Silly, but I do think it's cute. Remember to soften this look with a light hand. Doing so will prevent you from putting too much product on your face. Now we're gonna move on to the brows. For my brows, I'm using the Morphe Chocolate Mousse, and I'm going to be using that to fill in my brows. This step is really important when we're highlighting. I'm using the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm placing that in the middle of my forehead, the nose bridge, the tip of the nose, the chin, and under the eyes. For my eyes, I'm going to be using Huda Beauty's Mercury Retrograde. In the inner corner, I'm going to concentrate on adding the shade Haze. Then with Supermoon, I'm placing that on the center and then smoothing that out to the inner corner and outer corner of my lid. With Ultraviolet, I'm going to be placing that lightly under my brow bone. Then pressing the same shade on the outer corner of my eye. Remember to blend any harsh lines with a clean brush. For under the eyes, I'm taking Off Balance and a little bit of Hot Mess. This is going to create a soft matte tone, and I love how it pairs with the green. The liner that I'm using today is by Colourpop in the shade The Rose Standard. For highlighter, I'm using the shade 24K from the Good as Gold palette by Colourpop. The liner that I'm using for my lips is a NYX lip liner in the shade Peekaboo Natural. Next, I'm adding Interview by Huda Beauty. We're almost there. Now I'm going to apply some lashes. I'm using Honey by Colourpop. This is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked my content, please like and subscribe. And if you want to see more of me, I have my Instagram link in the description box below. Thank you. See you next time.